Is yourself.
Myself Parag Jaiswal. I am from Indore. I completed BE from Electronics and Communication. I am looking for a job in which I can use my experience and skills for the growth of company as well as individual.
Okay. Which technology are you comfortable?
I am comfortable in Python.
Okay. Can you explain the complete flow of Python code?
Yeah. So in Python, first it check the syntax. After checking the syntax, it goes to interpreter where the code is line by line execute and check whether it is correct or not. Once it is correct, then it is compiled and then go in the compiler and then it shows in the output if it is correct.
Okay, means Python has compiler.
It has inbuilt compiler.
Okay. What is the PVM?
PVM.
Yes. You know about PVM?
PVM.
Python virtual machine.
Python virtual machine.
You heard about it?
Yeah, I heard.
What is the working of Python virtual machine?
Python. Are you asking about the linker loader?
No, just Python virtual machine.
Python virtual.
What is the exact work of Python virtual machine?
Yeah, actually, initially it was developed for the driver device software, but now it is a complete platform for the desktop application, for development of desktop application, web application, software application. It is also using machine learning, data science, and IoT. It also for the security purpose.
Okay. What is the difference between list and tuple?
List generally both are the collection of data, but in list we can append, edit, we can do, but in tuple it is constant, we cannot edit and we cannot add something new. Once it is declared, it declares.
Okay. Suppose that you have any real-time projects. Okay. In which situation you will refer list? In which situation you will refer tuple?
Where I have to don't change any like variable or the link URL, so I will use tuple. And where I have to change the variable and I have to change the data type, I will use the list over there.
Okay. And where you will implement set in real-time project?
When I have to get the random numbers or random things, then in OTP we get the random numbers, so I will use the set because it gives the random numbers.
Okay. Set contain duplicate elements or no?
No.
Okay. I want to count number of duplicate elements in set. Then I can count it.
No, it will show only one element.
No, suppose that I have by mistake I have entered 3 elements in set.
You
and
can
I want
count.
to only count that.
Yeah.
How many repeated elements
Yeah.
existing on set, then it can be counted or not?
Yeah, you can count, but it will not show in the list when you call the whole list at a time.
I am not asking about list. We have only set object, and by mistake I have entered 3 repeated elements. Okay, but set by default written 1 element. Okay, but I want to count how many elements has been repeated.
Yeah, you can count.
Yeah, how can count it?
You can run for loop in that for loop, and where you can by indexing you can count.
Set has no index, I think that. I am not asking about list. Set has no index, I think that. Set has index or not?
No.
And how to count it? These are logical questions. Means I knew that set not contain any repeated elements. Okay.
Yeah.
Means if you repeat the element, suppose that you will enter 12 times, then it will display 1. Okay. By mistake I have entered 12 times. I want to only show that how many repeated elements existing on set and how many times.
Yeah, for
it will
that
be inside.
you have to change the set into list.
Okay.
And then you can count it.
Yes. Yeah. Means we can convert set into the list. And after that we can count it. Okay. How to we can reverse set object?
Yes, we can, but set is already random, so it is not necessary to reverse, but you can reverse.
Okay. What is the difference between set method, SET method, and curly brackets? Means set has 2 different declarations.
हाँ.
One is the curly bracket declaration and second one is the set method declaration.
Yeah.
It has any differences?
No, set for inserting of elements we use the set where we can add some different elements.
Okay, means we can create any object which contains some elements in set type and some elements contain dictionary type and some elements contain list type. This
Yeah.
type of combined object we can create.
Yeah. But in dictionary we have to give the key and value. We have to.
Means suppose that I want to create one object.
Uh,
Means three elements will be list type, another three elements will be tuple type, another three elements will be dictionary type. This
Yes.
can be possible.
yes, yes.
How?
By taking the empty set dictionary and tuple. In set we will add the elements. In dictionary we will update the elements and.
You are not understanding my question. My question is that I want to declare single variable x, and this variable contain all type of objects. That is possible. In single variable I want to
Yeah.
stores three elements, initial three elements set type, after that 3 to 6 indexing elements dictionary type, after that list type. Means combined object can be created or not.
Yeah, by declaring multiple dictionary and multiple sets, you can do.
Okay, in this case you will use multiple dictionary or multiple list, multi-dimensional list or multi-dimensional list dictionary, which is best?
In multi-dimensional list we will declare it is best, and in dictionary also.
Okay. Can you tell the name of any three predefined method of dictionary?
Predefined.
Yes.
In predefined dictionary, copy, clear, and remove, and we can add also.
Add method.
Update method. In dictionary we use update.
Okay, dictionary key can be null or not?
Dictionary key. I don't know, but it can be.
It can be null.
It can be null. Value can be null.
Key can be repeated in dictionary.
Key can be, but why to repeat the key? We can.
Suppose that I have created the dictionary A1001, again A1002, again A1003. Is it possible in dictionary?
Yeah, you can.
Are you sure about it?
A101 name is different, and then
Yeah, name is different, but key is repeated.
Key in the same, like you are declaring A as a key and value as a 101, 102. Yeah.
Separately, A is the key, the value is 1001. Again I am taking A is a key, value is 1002. Again I am taking A is a key, value is 1003. That is possible in dictionary or not?
But we can declare only one key A, and in that we will define the value.
But if I will provide one dictionary to you, and I will say you execute this will execute or not? And if execute, then what will be the result?
Last number will be
1003.
1003.
Yes. Means last is
last will
means it will not provide any error.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know about file handling concept in Python? Okay. No, I am just asking about any method. Suppose that I want to implement three operations simultaneously. Means first create file, after that read file, after that write file. Then what you will do?
Firstly, we will create the file by declaring the f variable and open method, and then after we have to write in dash. So we.
I am not writing. My sequence is different. Creating, reading, then writing.
Creating, reading, and writing. So,
Yes.
We will use the open, plus we will declare their mode W plus, so it will write and read also.
W plus is for write read. I am asking about read write.
Read write.
Is it possible or not?
Yeah.
Suppose that your file is empty. It has no any content, and I am using R plus mode, read write mode.
Yeah. You
And
can.
first I will read and after that write. If content is not there, then it will read or it will provide null error.
It will provide null because there is.
It will provide error.
Not error. It will read. It will show empty.
So empty. And when you will write this, then it will write or you will set the cursor position or anything.
Yeah, we have to seek it at 0 cursor.
If have nothing in file, file is empty, then what will be the cursor position?
0 at 0.
Then you will also use seek method or not?
No, after writing we will use the seek.
In this case, you will use seek method.
No. So
You can directly write this.
yeah.
It will work. Are you sure about it?
Yeah, it will show empty.
It will show empty. Okay. Okay. Do you know about lambda functions?
Yeah, in single line we have to declare in lambda. A single line operation we use lambda.
Okay. Okay.